Hey there, beautiful people! Today we're talking about hair. Who doesn't love having great hair? We all want that rich, natural color, and sometimes our hair needs a little help. That's why I'm excited to talk about Godrej Expert Rich Cream Hair Color. This hair color is amazing. It comes in a bunch of shades, but today we're focusing on natural black. Plus, it comes in a pack of 4, so you'll have plenty for touch-ups. Let's dive in. This hair color is different. It's made with a special no-ammonia formula. That means it's gentle on your hair. No harsh smells either. And guess what? It's packed with good stuff. We're talking aloe vera and milk protein. Your hair will feel soft and look shiny. It's like giving your hair a special treat. And who doesn't love a treat? Now let's talk about how to use it. It's super easy. Just mix equal quantities of the cream and developer together. Remember to use a non-metallic bowl. Use either a plastic or glass container. Then apply the mixture on washed and dried hair with a brush. Wait for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out with plain water only. Make sure you have listened to this. This is most important. That's it. You'll have gorgeous hair in no time. And the best part? You can do it all at home. No need to go to a salon. Save your money for something fun. So, what are you waiting for? Go check out Godrej Expert Rich Cream Hair Color on Amazon India. You can find the link in the description below. And don't forget to tell me all about it in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Until next time, stay fabulous. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.